Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. If you love skipping long lines at the station or airport, then you are in the right place. Today we are diving into how to activate your global entry card quickly and easily. Let's get you ready for your smooth airport experience yet. Here is step-by-step guide. Alright, let's get straight into it. Here's how you can activate your global entry card in just a few simple steps. Open your browser and search for cbp.gov. You will direct it to US Custom and Border Protection website. Now from here you can see at the top left corner a pop down option called travel. Click on it and you will see here global entry. Click on this option. Now scroll down and you can see here a apply now button for global entry card. Click on it. You will see here several options available for you including global entry. It's worth amount 100 USD dollar. Now log into your account. Click on consent and continue. Here you can see you have a sign up option. You can use your Gmail and password, or if you don't have any account you can create an account from here. Just simply give your Gmail and click on this checkbox and click submit. After entering your email, you will receive a confirmation mail. Confirm your email from this mail. Now create a strong password from there. Later, choose one of these options for authentication. It will help you to keep your account safe. As you can see, a form has opened out. You need to enter all of your personal details that required in this field. For tutorial purpose, I am skipping this step. Now you need to click on get started button of global entry option. Now continue with your global entry application. After you logged in, you will presented by this type of dashboard. Now scroll down and you will see this renew membership if you have expired global card, and if you don't, you will presented by a button that apply now. Click on this. Now read these instructions carefully and check on this yes button and then the global entry button. After this you need to scroll down a little, then you will see a next button. Read this important instruction, then click on this apply for global entry button. Now you need to pass these 9 important steps, and here where people stuck most. The 9 steps is personal information, your documents, driving license, vehicle info, address info, employment informations, travel history, and some additional information, and the last is final review. They will review your informations for confirmation. Read this certification and give a statement that you are certified. Next, you can see you have to pay $100. Then put your all banking details and press on continue button. After completing the payment process, you will see a status that says wait for conditional approval. That means your application is going through a approval request. They will review your information and verify your all details, then they will approve your global entry card. There you have it, a quick and easy guide to activating your global entry card and the amazing benefits it offers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels and may your adventures be as hassle-free as possible. See you in the next video. Bye for now.